Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called the watch settings, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the connectivity and tap on it to enter. Now scroll down and find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called My Networks. Tap on it, and here you will see the list of networks your watch is connected to. If you don't see any networks, that means that your watch is not connected to any networks. And basically find the network you want to disconnect from on this list. Once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down, tap on remove, confirm it by tapping on this check mark or pressing the start button, and the network will disappear from the list. Once it does, it means your watch is completely disconnected from this network. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.